Welcome to the ebizQ BPM Meets the Cloud webinar, sponsored by Fujitsu. I'm Dennis Byron, a BPM and Action blogger here on ebizQ, and I will be both presenting and moderating today. In a few minutes, I will be joined by Dennis Wall, Director, Software and SaaS at Fujitsu America. Dennis will introduce you to Fujitsu's BPM in the Cloud capabilities. And after that, Dennis Wall and I will take your questions. There is nothing wrong with a healthy amount of human interaction. The beauty of intelligent process automation is that as the human gets involved with the business process sets, the BI capability is adding actionable data with which to make decisions. As I have written about in detail here on ebizQ, case management appears to be the emerging nirvana that combines the best of both traditional workflow and straight-through processing. Now, some of the other features that I suggest you look at as you're looking or comparing BPM in the cloud is multi-tenancy. That's a common term you'll hear in a public cloud, but it's something you want to consider in a private cloud as well, because it might relate to handling different time zones or different geographic areas within a business. Clearly, you want to be able to support different migration, and standards will be needed for that. I'm also looking at different BPM capabilities in the cloud that allow you to connect into such things as marketplace capabilities. And as we mentioned earlier, the analytical capabilities such as business alert monitoring, business intelligence, et cetera, all lead to that concept I called IPA, or intelligent process automation.
In the next few slides, I'll talk about the evolution of our cloud BPM capabilities, starting with supporting large enterprises' shared services platforms to our channel partners leveraging those same capabilities to build and deploy their solutions, to we at Fujitsu hosting our cloud BPM platform within our data center that enterprise customers can build their applications on. And finally, we'll talk about how we've integrated with other cloud services, for example, Salesforce.com, to provide value-added services to a broader set of clients. One of the biggest challenges that we've seen our enterprise customers face is related to trying to centralize business process improvement projects. What used to happen in the past was that different lines of business would go out and purchase their own software. Significant spend on software, services, and the associated infrastructure. As companies began to standardize on BPM platforms and build centers of excellence, they wanted to be able to leverage their existing investment in BPM software to cater to the needs of multiple lines of business. Based on their requirements, we've developed unique capabilities in the product that lets you partition or separate the software so that each business line has its own dedicated space if needed.